Hey all, Ryan Hassan-Bassick, accident insurance lawyer here. Want to talk real quickly about an issue that comes up all the time in injury cases, and that's the issue of pre-existing injuries. Essentially what that is you had a prior injury before the accident, you're involved in an accident, and you have either new injuries or the injuries you have are just a whole lot worse than they were before. We get a lot of cases that are actually, the people come to us from other law firms that turn down their case, basically telling the clients that, look, you really don't have that good of a case, or you don't have much of a case because you have pre-existing injuries. And that is not necessarily the case. Most of these cases we actually take forward. The reason is because in Florida, the way the jury is instructed on a pre-existing injury is that the jury's tasked with having to make an allotment between the two injuries. They have to try to allot a certain percentage to the pre-existing injury and a certain percentage of the damages to the current injury from the current accident. The key though is, and I'm going to read you from the jury instructions, it says, if you cannot make that determination, or if it cannot be said that the condition would have existed apart from the injury, then you should award damages for the entire condition suffered by the plaintiff. What that means is if they can't make the allotment, they can't tell how much it was from the pre-existing injury and how much is from the current accident, the jury has to award the plaintiff the full amount. So in a lot of cases, that's going to be really tough for the defense to prove. And so we as a law firm do not shy away from cases that have pre-existing injuries. So if you've been involved in a situation where you're in an accident, you have a prior injury, but you want to still seek representation for what you have going on, give us a call. We handle those cases. Folks in Hassan-Bassick, 727-500-1010. You either call or text us on that number, 727-500-1010.